You can easily create and rename sheets in Google Sheets using your iPhone. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to create a new sheet and rename it directly from your mobile device. First, make sure you have the Google Sheets app installed from the App Store. If it's already installed, check for any available updates and install the latest version for the best experience. Once the app is ready, open it and sign in to your Google account. From the list of spreadsheets on your screen, tap the one you want to open. At the bottom, you'll see the existing sheet tabs. To add a new sheet, tap the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. A new sheet will be created instantly. To rename the new sheet, tap on its tab. A menu will pop up. Tap Rename. Type in the new sheet name, then tap OK to save. If you want to insert a new sheet after a specific existing sheet, first tap that sheet to make it active. Then tap the plus icon. The new sheet will appear right after the selected one. To rename the new sheet, simply tap on its tab and select the Rename option from the menu.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button to show your support. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our future videos. We have got plenty more awesome content coming your way. And we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below, let us know what you think about this video, or if you have any questions, feel free to ask. We'll be responding to your comments, so let's start a conversation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.